y'all, Chaffanie Naycole here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my little digital space where I teach you how to use your iPad and increase your iPad productivity. In today's video, I will be showing you a tutorial on how you can time block in your digital planner. I will show you 4 different ways that you can do this. But before we get started, make sure that you tap that subscribe button so that you're notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to start off by zooming in so we can see. Then we're going to go over to our shapes tool. We're going to tap on it twice. And we want to make sure that fill color is enabled. And we're going to use the pen tool to create our shapes. Make sure that you choose your color. Okay, so the first time block we're going to start off with is a fill with an outline. So we're going to use our pen tool and we're going to start drawing a rectangle. What we're going to do now is when we get towards the end, we're going to hold it in place so it snaps, and then we are going to adjust it to our liking, and once we have it, we're going to let it go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tap on the lasso tool and we're going to lasso inside of the time block. We're going to copy and paste. And we're going to lasso inside again and copy and paste. We're going to keep doing this process until we're at our desired opacity. And once you've gotten to your desired opacity, you can write in what that time block is for. Now let's move on to the second way that you can create a time block. Okay, so the second time block we're going to make is the same time block, but this time we're going to do it without the outline. So we're going to do the same exact process. So start off by drawing a rectangle, make it as big as you want, and then remember to hold at the end. Okay, and now we're going to come up and we're going to tap undo to get rid of the outline. We're going to tap on the lasso tool and lasso inside and copy and paste. We're going to do that again. We're going to lasso around and then we're going to copy and paste. And then we're going to continue to do this until we get our desired opacity. Once you've reached desired opacity, go ahead and write in what that time block is for. And now we're going to move on to the third way to create a time block. The third time block we're going to create is basically just highlighting the times. So using the highlighter tool, we're going to change the width to be the thickest. And we're doing this to make sure that it covers all the area. And then you're going to choose your color that you want to use. And then we're just going to draw a line straight down, and then we're going to hold at the end to make a straight line. And now we're going to go in with the shapes tool, and we're just going to adjust the length of the line. And the last one is batch boxes. So what we're going to do is use the text box to write in basically what the time block will be for. So something general like work. And then we're going to jazz it up with a little highlight, or you can do this at the end, up to you. Now what we're going to do is take the pen tool and we're going to draw an open box around the word work or whatever your word was. And then just hold at the end to snap it in place. There was a part that I did forget to show in the video, and that is adjusting the lines of the box to make them more centered. Only thing you would do is use the shapes tool, tap on your box, and then you're going to see these blue circles come up. So you would use those blue circles to basically just adjust those lines to make them more centered. Alright, y'all, and that is it. These are the 4 ways that you can create time blocks. I'm pretty sure there are more ways to create time blocks, but these are the ones that I've used so far, and I'll show you an example of the one I'm currently using right now. So if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments or shoot me a message, and I'll respond to you. But if you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And again, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, bye y'all.